when I was around 6 or 7 years old. My parents bought me a computer. Not for playing games, not for watching cartoons. They taught me how to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, and some technical skills in Photoshop. Meanwhile, most of my friends from my school got a gaming console to play games and unlimited time to watch cartoons. Fast forward to 11 years, now I'm standing on the stage where one of the smartest people of Bangladesh will deliver the speeches. So, does it mean using computer and office software from a very early age secures you a very bright future, a successful future? No, absolutely not. But this example of my life is just an illustration about when human mind uses technology, we get unlimited benefits. But when the technology uses us, it's actually harmful and is mostly for you guys, the you. Good morning, everyone. I am Abrar Abir, a very small person among the big speakers who will deliver their speeches today. Today, I'll talk about how technology influences our life, or we influence technology. For the youth, the most important part of your life will be education. Technology brought it us to be our greatest asset in education. But the irony is, technology has become one of our greatest enemy. One, because education and others skillful words requires a concentration, a continuous deep work. Whether you are solving a big calculus math or writing a complex essay, we did our complex work, our deep work in mind. But this social media, this technology, continuously making our brain want a constant dopamine. It makes our brain want a dopamine hit and loses our concentration. It also increases and decreases our focus. So that's how our mind, which are supposed to work for education, we are now stories, reels, watching TikTok, watching videos, liking and commenting on Facebook, Instagram. But these are not evolution supposed to be. We are not supposed to be rich TikTokers or the Jake Alpaca iPad kids. We are not supposed to do that. So what is the solution? Also the irony is, the TED is also the solution. To use tech as our weapon, we need to just shift our focus. We have to understand the story I told first as example of my life. You have all kinds of tools and internet things on your pocket. Today, all the biggest libraries, all the biggest encyclopedia can just fit in my smartphone. So it's up to you guys. It's up to the you. When you are using, how you are using it. So, if I give my example, in my life I followed 3 challenges to tackle this kind of problem. To solve this tech issue. So first, it's the odd person building you. What is the on person building you? When you spend time using TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, every 100 minutes, you just dedicate just 1 minute from the time to recollect, to ask yourself, what did I learn? And if I use it for my skill or my dedication, just only. If you use it for 100 hours, you just dedicate just 1 hour of your life to use that. Second rule, the reverse engineering challenge. When you see a nice video on YouTube, you don't just like it. You ask yourself, how did they make the video? How did they edit the video? How was the sound effect? I want to create this. When you see a reel, a robotics project or a code, you ask yourself, I have to build a code. I have to write a code. When you see a song, you need to practice yourself. I have to recite the song. I have to make the song. So that's how reverse engineering will help you. And the last but not the least, the self-audit. When you use online technologies and this propaganda, social medias, you audit yourself. The time you spent on it, the work you done it, and the money you spent, whether it is good or bad. So that's how you can utilize the tape destroying you now makes you stronger. So if I get back to the main point, in this world of technology, you have to be the architect, not the inhabitant. This simple choice will drastically change your life. And for the year, it will pay for education, it will help your skills, and make the time inspect a greater value. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for giving the opportunity to share my thought from technology. Thank you.